Hello, Tango. What a nice kitty. Nice kitty cat. Yes, nice kitty. You're a nice kitty. Tango's very independent, and this is Dakota. Hello, Dakota. Hello. Hello, Dakota. Dakota's very friendly. Oops, here you go. There they are. Dakota will probably come and sit right up here on my lap. Sure enough, here she comes. Here he comes. Dakota the boy. You're very friendly, aren't you, Dakota? Yes, you're a very friendly cat. You're a very friendly cat. And Tango is a little more aloof. But very nice.
Yeah, I mean, I never had problems with them scratching or anything, so.
Yep. And that's Noah. Noah likes the kitties too. Don't you, Noah? Yeah. And Claire, right?
Yeah.
Claire.